What's good? It's Zipa Fiba, also known as Bruno Mars, and I am back for another reaction video! Yay! So it's gonna be like, yeah, and I'm with my friend there. Yeah, we are gonna do what's this? Watch party because we want to fangirl together for Ateez and for Sun. For Sun. So
yeah.
she watched the video, but she wanna watch it again with me. So yes, we're gonna do it together. I'm gonna do this is my first time watching this, so yeah, I'm excited. We're excited. Yay, we're excited. Are you excited, man?
Yay. I don't know if they can see me, but yay, I'm happy.
Alright, let's play it!
Let's go. Am I gonna play it now?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Let's get it. Play. This sound is, it's actually the last. Yo, Songwa! Wow, Yo-sang! Oh my god, Jaeson's ass! Oh, I miss Mingy. Songwa is like I cannot with Jaeson. How you know?
Oh my god.
Oyeon's glow up is like, it's there. Oh my god, so loud. What is happening with someone? Wow. What is he wearing? Wow. Those high notes. Oh, you know. Even Yo-sang. Ooh. What is wrong with them showing their abs?
There's more. Wait for it.
Okay.
Wait for it.
Okay. Oh.
City or something.
Have you seen that guy? Have you seen that masked guy? He appeared in, you know, the masked guy. He was in Answer, I guess. And was it Hala Hala or Answer? Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
I didn't
so
notice. Maybe because I wasn't like
yes.
a fan back then, so I wasn't really paying attention to the whole video. But
Yes, yes.
Fan happened. Ever since Han happened. Oh my god. But anyway, they actually take deep breath.
Yes. I need to process. I need to process everything. I need to process everything. It's like,
I know.
wow.
Let's talk about the style. Yes.
Yes. The style. It's like,
For the first time, you are out of loss, not at loss. Loss of words. Is that the right expression? But yeah.
yes, I am. Because, like, number one, Toy San. Toy San! Again! Again. I'm like, and then,
Again.
and then,
Choi-san.
and then, Songhwa. I was like, wow, wow, wow. Songhwa is like, okay,
So now you know the reason why I'm simping for Songhwa again. And then again.
yes, I know.
I
It's
am
like,
simping him now because of that.
yes, he's got a different vibe for this music video, or for this concept, or for the theme of their album. It's like, you know, Songhwa on a different level, I guess. I mean, I know he's sexy, I know he's hot,
Songhwa
but
on drugs.
he's way he's just different. He's just, you know, his vibe is really different for this one. He's like, oh my god.
See, to the point that I simped for him because of this video. Like, I didn't even notice him before. Like, I was always like a big not stan, but look at me now.
Yes, I know, and I'm so happy because Songhwa is my number
Not
2
anymore.
favorite.
It's also Songhwa.
I know. And even who's that? Uyong. He's glowing.
Every one of them were really, really good. Like, I couldn't even focus on not Stan. Why do you keep on saying Stan? San. Because I keep on like noticing the other members. They're so handsome. The style is really good. Like the avant-garde, I'm a sucker for that style. The music itself was like it literally slaps you on the face.
I know. And this one is really like, you know, you've got a vibe. You got a vibe with it. Like, yo. Ayo. Parang ganon. Just.
Yeah,
The
no, it
hook.
has like an earworm effect, but like I've been listening to the song for almost a week now. Like every time I drive to work, like I play it like full blast.
It's your
And
go-to.
I don't care if other people can hear it.
He wasn't in there, pero they've used his. They still put his voice.
His voice.
Can you imagine,
Are you going
man?
100?
Can you imagine
I know,
Mingy in this
exactly.
concept? I was like, oh my
That's
gosh,
why.
yo.
That's why I was like, kaya pala nga, like the video was amazing. Na how much more if kompleto jud sila. Like, and
I
then
know.
imagine Mingy.
I know.
Mingy in that kind of music. It's like even like you can only hear his like voice in the background, but it was really good. So imagine. You can only imagine how good it will be if he was in that video and doing his part. Like, like I don't know who to stand anymore.
I know, right? I know, right?
I'd probably become like a tiny. Is it a tiny? A teeny?
18.
A teeny. Before the end of this month, because I've been like binge watching almost everything.
Yes, I know. It's like, I think they have that effect, you know. For me, I was like, no, I'm not gonna stand a new group, and then 80s happened. Here I am. Here we are, man. Here we are.
Oh, that's true. And then they started like in 2018, so they're practically a new idol group pa.
Yes, they are.
So now I get why they're called like monster rookies. They're really good performance-wise, music-wise.
You know.
They're almost perfect. Like everything, I think almost everyone can do each part really well, like rapping, singing. Except na siguro sa belting. That's the Maknae's job. So, but anyway, they're like a complete package.
Yes, yes, yes.
Appearance-wise, my God, San, my beloved San, my king. What?
Of course, we are
But
a Sans clan.
let's address the elephant in the room. The elephant in the room. What can you say about San's crop top?
I'm like, as I've said before, during the Mama Awards, was it? I was trying hard to. I'm so sorry. I was trying hard to concentrate for the other members, but like, whenever Sun on the frame, alam mo yon, with the crop top, I was like, I'm losing it. I'm so sorry. I'm losing it. I'm like, no. He's not giving me a chance to appreciate the other members. I'm telling you, he's not giving me a chance. It's like, no, girl, you cannot look at the other members. Like, just look at me. Just look at my abs. Just look at my crop top. You know, like that.
Did you notice how defined his abs are? Like they were shining. Sparkling even.
I know.
Like what did you do, Sad? You react properly. You're like
No, I was just purely fangirling, I guess. You know, just purely fangirling. No technicalities or whatever. I just enjoyed it. Yeah.
And that's exactly what I thought. Like, I don't even know the meaning of the song. I just enjoyed the video, the song overall.
Yes,
It has a really nice vibe.
you just vibe with it. So yes.
I know.
Whenever I fangirl, you know how I am. You know how I influence people.
I mean, I can attest to that. How many? This will be the second band that you have influenced me with. First was Day 6, then this. So, I will not talk to you ever again.
No, there's Kevin O.
Because I don't want to...
We did Kevin and Superband.
Idol groups. I meant.
Oh, for idol groups.
But yes. You're very convincing.
I know.
If people can hear me, if your viewers can hear me, if they can only see our Instagram messages, they won't even see me. Can they see me? Oh my God. Anyway, if people can see our messages, can read our messages on Instagram, they will know how convincing Zippo Fipo is when it comes to standing a new group. Just a very effective convincer. Is that even a word? She will convince you. She can and she will.
Yes. I admit to that. Talk about Songwa. Songwa is like my second fave. So I think in every music video or performances, I always look for, of course, San and Songwa. I think among 80s, they are really like the top two. Ano yun? Duality king for me. I mean, you know, their duality is really like on another level. And yeah, I think he's really got a different vibe for this comeback. It's like it's on another level. You know, it's like Songwa 2.0. Ganon.
I can see it now. Like, I have a newfound respect and appreciation of that guy. He's a good performer too. and he's cute na in my eyes. He's growing on me actually. He's starting to grow. Well, he's growing as a matter of fact on me. So don't be surprised if I like spam your Instagram inbox with his
I
videos
know.
and pictures.
It used to be Sun's on our like inbox, like Sun, all about Sun. And like 2 days ago, was it 2 days? I think
Yeah, I think
yes. And then 2
ago.
days ago, I was like, oh, I told her like I'm a video with Songwa's you know, stuff, content, but she actually fed me with Songwa's content. So yeah, it's Songwa now.
Sorry na. So I'm worried I might forget about that. So
No.
I'll find a perfect balance of fangirling between those two. But for now, I'm simping for Stan and his abs. There is a reason why they let him wear a crop top in that video.
Yo, the red one. Have you seen the red one?
I know.
I was like, what?
I know.
I wasn't prepared for that. I wasn't prepared for the red one. Yo.
I know, right?
No.
See, later you should watch the tune because he's shirtless.
I know. That's why I'm actually excited for it. I'm thinking of like maybe do another reaction video for it. Just to be this, you know, screaming. Just, Sun, ah.
Because you're on the roll, so just continue. Anyway.
I know, kasi nakaset
So,
up na.
I have to go now.
Yes, I think that's it. Yeah, just say goodbye.
Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and the like button.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye.
Welcome.
Bye, man.
Bye.
Super nice. This is super nice.
Bye, man.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.